Dang it. Okay, testing. What was I gonna say?
I thought you wanted to come.
Yeah.
Over?
Sure. So let me know when it's filming. Oh, okay. And action.
Okay, so I wanted to leave in all of this footage that normally should just be cut out. And the reason being is that I want to show you the behind the scenes stuff and all of the effort that goes into making these videos that I don't think you get to normally see. So it's not like we're really filming anything that important, but even then, it just takes so much time and trying to figure this stuff out creatively and figure out the gear and stuff. That's kind of what I wanted to show you with this stuff. It's all part of the process for this project, and it's what I think is kind of interesting about creativity.
That little guy's not waterproof, so try to shelter it. Okay. So I'm out here trying to shoot a little bit. There's some great clouds now, and some thunderstorms have been coming through. It just started raining right as I was getting set up to film, but the clouds over there look really nice, and the only problem is it's kind of hazy. So what I've done is I put on a circular polarizer to try to cut through some of that haze, and it works okay. You should really be at an angle to the sun with it, and the clouds now are kind of blocking, but it kind of helped. So I'm just trying to get some shots before it starts raining a lot more. Oh, the gimbal got messed up. You have to recenter it. So if you swipe up, and then you have to swipe back down. So I've got my hat over the lens and the camera because the camera is fairly waterproof, but I don't know if the lens is. This lens anyways. Right now I'm just looking for different things that are happening off in the distance. These are all long shots, so I'm not trying to get any real foreground element in these, but I'm just trying to see if light peeks through some of these clouds and lights up one of the peaks and makes them for some interesting light. And now that we've got some atmosphere, like since the last few days were so blue, it's nice to have some clouds, but this haze makes everything kind of dull, and it's just kind of flat. So I don't know, I see some nice clouds over there, some sun's hitting them, but we might have to wait till this thunderstorm passes a little bit more before I get some, maybe a chance for some decent shots. All right, well. So you're filming, right?
Yep, I'm filming right now.
I should put the microphone on. Well, we stepped underneath the little overhang for the refugio, and just kind of waiting to see if the rain lets up. But there's a ton of bugs down here, and it's smelly. Let's go upstairs.
We continued playing around the rest of the day, as well as just hang out, enjoy our time up there, eat well, and just be happy to be out in nature. So I'm going to show you some of the better photographs that I got from this location, and then we're going to wrap it up and head down the hill.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? So we're leaving Refugio Pomedes today, and we're gonna go to Lago di Misurina, which is Lake Misurina, and we're staying there a couple of nights, and we are going to check out some waterfalls that we looked at last summer, and there's just some general stuff that I wanted to look at in the area for paintings. As I was thinking about it over the last year, there was a lot of stuff that I remembered seeing that I wanted to kind of use for the artwork, and I'm hoping I can find some of that stuff and take some reference images. But right now we're going to pack up all this stuff. It's all thrown all over the place, and we got to get everything in the backpacks and back down that hill, which is going to suck, but that's all right. At least it's downhill this time. So anyways, gonna start packing up all this stuff. Cue time lapse. Almost forgot this. Okay, so we are hiking now down from Refugio Pomedes, and we are about to go to Lago di Misurina. We didn't really get very good photographs here. The weather just didn't cooperate with us, and you know, that's just what happens sometimes. You go to a place like this and you can't wait it out for really good weather. I think I got some stuff for the paintings at least, and so at least it wasn't a total wash. And also, I mean, it's really beautiful, so how can you call it a wash? But more of the images that I took were more about the reference photos for paintings and less about photography. So hopefully that changes. Today we may go to this little waterfall, and that will be more about photography because the light won't be as important. So we don't really want to fall down here. That wouldn't feel good. But this path is it's pretty wide, but it's a little slippery because of all the loose rocks. But Tiffany's got her hiking stick, so she feels more confident.
I'm scared.
One step at a time. Making our way down. This was the path that we thought we were going to take when we were coming up, but we didn't drive far enough to the parking lot. So we decided to forego the ski lift and take this path to see what it's like. That's where we came from. Tiffany, wait up. You forgot something. Tiffany, you forgot something. I forgot this on the trail back there. I just grabbed it for you, but
Oh,
it's just
would you mind?
it's kind of well, it's just kind of no, I guess I'll get it.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll meet you down there. grab the tripod at least?
All right, I guess.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Cool. Makes it a lot easier. I'll see you down there at the car.
Thanks for filming.
It was hard, huh? I'm glad I took your backpack. Okay, so we got down to the parking lot and it's Refugio de Bona. This is the lot where we were supposed to park. Looks kind of nice. And I guess there's some trails that you could hike around here, going up that way, up into those mountains. So we have to go down this road here, I think, to get to our car. And then we will head over to Lake Misurina. So there's our car over there where Tiffany's heading right now. And then this is where the hut was that we were staying. It was up there. Okay, so I know this was a long one, and if you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. In the next few episodes from the Dolomites, we're going to be exploring other places, shooting a lot of photos, and just generally kind of having fun and sharing it with you guys. So, if you enjoy this stuff, I hope you liked and subscribed already, but I'd really appreciate a comment and let me know what you think. Also, I've got a lot of stuff that I've shot and that I want to get to in these coming episodes. So, if you hit that bell, you'll be notified whenever something new is posted to my channel. Okay, so we'll see you next time. Bye.
It's starting to rain. Goodbye. Do you have any parting words?
No.
Rude.